Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here for a sneak peek of EPCOT's newest lounge, GEO 82. This lounge officially opens up June 4th, so let's see if this is something you're interested in. Let's go.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
All right, so we're walking right in. As soon as you go in straight ahead, there's the sign that says GEO 82. Right? Hello, hello. I get a pamphlet?
About the lounge.
Okay.
Cards are on the wall.
Okay. I'll come back and do that. All right, so before you get inside, there's an elevator to your right, and then there's the steps to your left. So I'm assuming you're gonna take the steps going up, or maybe an elevator going back down, if this is the same way you exit. Hello, good, good.
Great. So this is our lobby area where the guests will be able to relax for a bit up until we call their party name. We also have art pieces that are exclusive to GEO 82, so feel free to go ahead and roam around. And then we have the boards going to take you straight into the lounge area.
All right, thank you. All right. So they also have their own wine and rock glasses right here, GEO 82.
So the funny thing is, when they made the concept of this, it was supposed to be this location they used to.
And then this is the lounge that you wait inside before you get your name called to go inside the lounge. All right, so the first to your right is the women's restrooms. And look at this. This is an EPCOT ball. So you ever wanted to touch the EPCOT ball? Look, you can actually touch it. It's the real deal. I like how they incorporated that into the lounge. And then to your right, there's the men's restroom as well, okay? All right, so here's a display of some of the alcohol they have. Some bourbon. And here we go. First look of the GEO lounge.
But that one is described as a shaded. Exclusive to the fireworks, we're gonna have a golden old fashioned, so it's gonna have beautiful cluster. It's gonna be reminiscent of or Spaceship Works original design. The artist naturally that doesn't work too well. It would retain the cheese. That's how we
So wow, this place looks amazing. Couple hidden Mickeys on the wall. And this is the actual, this is how it looks when you're looking outside to the actual park. Can you imagine how this looks when the fireworks is on display? This is amazing. It's so bright, everything is so wide open. These are premium seats for the nighttime fireworks. All right, so let's walk around, give you a 360 look. All right, so here's examples of some of the drinks that they have here at GEO 82. Manhattan in the morning, 0 proof, so I'm assuming that's No alcohol. Right? Is this no alcohol, sir? With zero proof? Zero proof is no alcohol?
These two are zero proof.
Okay, okay. Okay.
So we have the walk through the garden, which is going to be that one. That's going to be more like a vegetable nose on it, a little more refreshing through the summer. And this is going to be a rendition from the classic Manhattan, but both of them are zero proof.
Wow, okay. That's good to know. All right, let's take a look at some of these. Strawberry and coconut right hand. Clarified New York sour. Peach shrub whiskey smash. That looks good. And electron, that looks amazing as well. So these are exclusive Disney Select bourbon flights, right? So there's 4 in the flight.
There is 4 on them.
Yep.
You have Old Mirrors. This is going to be a Tennessee whiskey. You have Woodford Reserve. And these are 2 products from Buffalo Trace Distillery. So that's Blanton's Gold and that's George Stagg.
Okay, cool.
So you go from like a 90.4 proof all the way to 134.8 proof.
Wow, okay. Pretty good.
It's a great flight. It's my favorite.
I can't wait
It's
to-
kind of like the crown jewel of this collection.
I can't wait to try it.
There you go. Hi, how are you?
All right, and then here's the book that you can order from.
If you have any questions, please just let me know.
It just it tells you what kind of glasses they have, what kind of ice they actually put in there as well. A large cube, 3 on the rock, a spear.
These 2 were chosen by the master distiller.
And then it just gives you a detail of what's in your alcohol. So a lot of people don't know exactly what they put in here, but they tell you exactly what it is. So
And they were picked up
that's
with,
pretty cool.
In collaboration with
And then they have a small bite menu. They got hummus, flatbread, you know, a truffle tuna, and a jumbo lump crab.
it is a great
So
experience.
this is a good offering.
It's a very nice way for you to walk through
Yep.
all like really great distilleries. Those Glencairns are
Yeah, that was which drink is your favorite to make?
That's gonna be our.
So let me take a seat and see how this actually feels. How it feels to sit here at the bar, at a table and just look out the window. Then here's a look at the food offerings that they have in the picture. So this jumbo lump crab looks good, and this hummus looks pretty good as well. And then they also have the flatbread. All right, so let's take a look from the corner of this. We're gonna rotate, and if you can see a hidden Mickey right there on the lights, it's pretty cool. What is the how many people can hold in this place?
Just under 90,
Okay,
including the bar seats.
so that means it's gonna be limited, right?
Yeah,
Like-
absolutely. So we're reservation only. Currently, no walk-ups as well.
Okay, currently.
That always may change in the future, but definitely for the first little while, we want to keep that exclusively to those people.
Well, I look forward to snagging a reservation probably 90 days from now or something. You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
every day at 6 a.m., 60 days from whatever today is, those are getting released.
Okay. Oh yeah, my other question is the fireworks.
Yeah.
Is a special an extra, right?
Yeah, so you'll book the fireworks experience package in advance. So it'll be prepaid online, and it'll be these 4 tables and then these 3.
Oh, it's right here. But you could honestly, it looks like you get a good view in the whole area, right? For the fireworks.
Yes, but our last seating will be at 8 o'clock, and it'll be right here. And then the other reservations will be before that. So it'll just depend on what all you want to experience around the park.
And is there a set price right now for the fireworks reservations?
Yeah, so it'll be $179 a person before taxes and gratuities.
And you getting some food with that, right?
Yeah, So here is going to be our list of what all is included.
Oh, okay, here we go. Okay.
So you'll have a Grand Mark champagne with a 3-tiered tasting tower, and then a dessert plate that is exclusive to the experience.
Wow, okay. Well, it looks like a good date night place, right? So
Absolutely.
I guess I got to be back, all right? Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Take me to your heart.
All right, everyone, that's a wrap from EPCOT. We just finished the GEO 82 lounge, and let me tell you, it was a good experience, a sneak peek. It will be open in a couple days, so by the time you see this video, you will definitely be able to at least try to book a reservation, or I think it might be booked up until 6 days out. But let me know what you think in the comments. Is that something you would be interested in? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. We out.